I think metaverse and virtual worlds allow fashion to go beyond the physical limits and to really expand the story a designer can tell. Well, the way I envision that is, first of all, I think the metaverse is going to be a tool, not necessarily the final destination. I think companies will strategize how they can incorporate virtual worlds in different sectors and departments. So I see much more the metaverse as a tool like e-commerce was in some point, and it is in some point right now. Social media became a cool marketing tool. So I see the metaverse coming as another multimedia solution for different businesses. But also, I think it's a great channel for brands specifically, or even corporations, to bring awareness about their brands, really connecting with their customers, and really bringing a little bit of a human touch in their overall strategy and communication. Well, I think that data science has been used for a long time already, but I think more and more now, especially with blockchain, I think the way you're going to use data science is going to change a lot. KYC is going to change a lot, but I would say that data science is there for us to really understand who is our customer, who is our audience, and also what are the successful strategies and how we can incorporate those different tools available to optimize what we're doing, especially in digital. So I think trying to understand the customer, but also trying to understand what kind of communication you're going to do. I would say that's where I see data science taking place into the overall metaverse blockchain discussion. My role entail in doing the whole production and curation of the Metaverse Fashion Week, and also dealing with brands most of the time. Brands that could be very young students or new fashion designers up to big brands and corporations. So supervising pre-production, the whole production, and of course delivering the final product is pretty much what I do, and curating the theme and what is the message we're trying to pass, and I think provoking some thoughts in the industry. Well, it's going to change the way we relate with our bodies and our presence on the internet, because I think we are coming from a cyberspace that is quite shapeless. We really don't see the boundaries, the internet that we surf in. It's quite empty of directions and really spatiality. I think the metaverse is the next stage of that web experience, where we're going to have avatars and bodies, and we're going to be present in a space. So I think the presence of a body changes a lot the way we interact with virtual products, with virtual shopping, with virtual communities. And I think that's where fashion plays a big role. The metaverse makes fashion a centerpiece of identity creation, of identity building, of self storytelling, self representation, and I would say like visual narrative in a way for brands and for individuals. And one last thing, I think metaverse and virtual worlds allow fashion to go beyond the physical limits and to really expand the story a designer can tell. I would say again that the metaverse should not be the final destination, should be a place for exploration and expansion of what they already preach. So brands that enter the Web3 space should not be forced to enter the space. They need to understand what is the real problem they are trying to solve with that particular technology. So be truthful to who you are, to your values, and to your real customers, and then you're going to be successful in this space.